Desiree and Donna are trying to prove that quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Donna says that we can show that AC is equal to BD. So what she's saying is we can prove that this diagonal is congruent to this diagonal. Now, if we can prove that, that's going to help because we know that by definition, all diagonals in parallelograms are congruent. So that's helpful. She also says that AD is parallel to BC and that AB is parallel to DC. Okay? And so far, she's doing a really good job, but I'm going to have to disagree with her. And the reason that I disagree is that I know that by definition, a rectangle has to have two sets of opposite sides that are congruent, and then I also know that it has to have 4 right angles. And in no way did she discuss the length of the sides. She mentioned that they were parallel, but as we discussed in class, parallel and congruent are 2 different things. So there's no proof of congruent sides, so that's my first reason. And there's also no proof of 4 right angles, so there's no proof of 4 right angles. With the information that she's given us, technically, we've proven that it's a parallelogram, but it could be a rectangle, it could be a square, it could be a rhombus, or it could be a parallelogram. Let's look at Desiree. Desiree says that we can show that AB is perpendicular to BC. So she's saying that this angle right here is a 90-degree angle. I'm going to do her in blue. And that DC is also perpendicular to BC. Okay, I'm going to do this right here in blue. Also, we can show that AD is equal to BC. And that AB is equal to AD. Do you agree or disagree with her? Well, I'm going to have to agree with her. Okay, and the reason that I agree with her is because we know by definition that parallelograms have opposite sides that are congruent. So she has already said that this is a parallelogram. Okay, so I don't need her to tell me that lines are parallel. What I like about her answer is that she also discussed that this right here was 90 degrees. And so we know by the properties of parallelograms that if angle B is 90 degrees, then angle D is 90 degrees. And if angle C is 90 degrees, we know that angle A is 90 degrees. So I agree with her because she addressed side length and angles.